Every structure, big or small, needs a strong foundation. Think of it as the bedrock. It supports everything above it. A weak foundation means a weak building. Cracks, uneven floors, and even collapses can happen. Nobody wants that. That's why getting the foundation right is crucial. A good foundation distributes the building's weight evenly. It handles the ground's movement and prevents shifting. This keeps your home level and safe for years. Remember, it's always best to invest in a solid foundation. It saves you headaches and costly repairs down the line. Now let's talk about different foundation types. The most common ones are slab, crawl space, and basement foundations. Each has its pros and cons. Slab foundations are concrete slabs poured directly on the ground. They're affordable and work well in warmer climates. Crawl space foundations have a raised floor with a space underneath for access. They're good for areas with moisture or drainage concerns. Basement foundations create an extra living space below ground. They're ideal for colder climates and offer storage. The best type for you depends on your budget, climate, and specific needs. Consult a structural engineer to determine the right choice for your project. Before you start digging, you need to know what's below the surface. That's where soil testing comes in. Soil testing determines the composition and bearing capacity of your soil. This helps engineers design the right foundation for your site. They'll know the depth and reinforcement needed. Ignoring soil testing is a massive mistake. It can lead to foundation problems later on. Always get your soil tested by a qualified professional. Now, let's talk construction. The first step is excavation. The ground is dug to the required depth for your foundation. Next comes the foundation bed preparation. This involves compacting the soil and adding gravel for drainage. Then formwork is built to contain the concrete. Steel reinforcement bars, or rebar, are placed within the formwork. This adds strength and prevents cracking. Finally, concrete is poured into the formwork and allowed to cure. Proper curing is essential for concrete strength. Once the concrete is cured, the formwork is removed, and there you have it, a solid foundation for your building.